back to another video. I'm Catherine and this is my brother Kason. And in today's video we will be doing the Toy Telepathy Slime Challenge. So how this works is, let's use our glue round for example. So there will be a glue and another glue. There will be two different types and you're going to pick which one you want. And then we'll do rock, paper, scissors, okay, so now we're going to do rock, paper, scissors. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I win, so I get to pick first. So I pick this one right here. 3, 2, wait, no, we don't show, I forgot. I wonder how our lifeguards are going to be. I almost got. Ugh, mine smells bad. It's going everywhere. Okay guys, now we're gonna reveal each other's in 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Yes! So I chose purple. And Kason chose white. Let's move on to the next round.
Sluggish, tired, can't seem to get moving in the morning? Try a Vittorio. They are packed with 15,000 minerals and vitamins in every bite. Having trouble studying, concentrating, doing your schoolwork? Once again, you know what to do. Eat a Vine Oreos. Not only are they good for you, but they taste great too! Slow, no energy. Feel like you are barely moving. Once again, you know what to do. Eat a Vittorio! Having trouble doing those radical moves? Well, I don't have to tell you again, you know what to do. Eat a Vittorio! Vittorios!
Okay guys, so it's the next round, but just to remind, it's round 2. But just to remind you, I got the point because I was choosing and my brother didn't choose the thing I chose. That's how it will work between us. So, yeah. And if he gets it, what I choose, then he gets a point. So this round is the color round. So Kason, it is your turn to pick the color. I think she's going to do reverse psychology, so I'm going to go for this one. I'm going to go for this one. We need something to add these in. Oh yeah. I guess we could just pour them. No, that's going to be too much. I can't open mine. Neither can I. Get the fork and stab it. No. Okay, so let's pour our paint. Just a little tiny bit. Then, I don't want more. I like the color of mine. I'm not. Should I mix? Let's mix and see what color it turns out to be. I think it's going to turn it like a dark purple. It already feels like it's activating. It's so thick. Yeah, it's turning a dark purple. Okay, ready to reveal what color we used?
No.
Well, yeah. Okay, ready? Grab your paint. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, you're going for a pink slime. I thought you were going to do reverse psychology. Guess not. Choose red. Okay, guys, let's move on to the next round. And my brother got a point.
What do you call a cow with no legs? Ground beef. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Atch.
At you.
Bless you.
Ah.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Who?
Who?
No, it's who.
Who?
Is there an owl in here?
Ah.
So it's my turn to choose. I think I want this one.
I think she's gonna pick this one.
3, 2, 1. Grab it. So guys, you should know what kind of slime I'm making now.
Wait, I think I know what she's making. I think I got it right.
Ooh, this looks so pretty in my purple. Okay guys, so we're about to reveal what we did. Ready, Casey?
Yeah.
Well, that looks so pretty, guys. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah.
3,
2.
2, 1. Yes! Turn it. Yes! I put green because it looks. I think you guys know what kind of slime I'm making now. I'm not going to tell my brother because then he's going to know.
She almost said.
Okay guys, let's move on to the next round, and Kason has a point. He has 2 points and I have 1 point. Let's move on to the next
Hey,
round.
Hey.
What are you doing? What are you about to do?
Funny face?
Funny face of Caroline? You got a funny face for us today? Show me your funniest face. Ah, funny.
Okay guys, so it is now round 4, and our ingredients are pom-poms and zombie.
Catherine, I think you got a little mixed up. I think it's now round 3.
No. Is it?
I think so.
No, it's round 4. Last round was round 3. So, boom. Okay, let's get on. Okay, Kason, pick your ingredients. Not
this.
keep younger. Okay, I think you picked this. Let's see. I want to put in these. Yellow. Okay, time to reveal. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yes! So he picked pom-pom, so now we're tied 2-2. Let's move on to the next round. Okay, 3, 2, 4x. I got the point. Okay, let's get started. Wait. Okay, so he has 4 points. 3 points. You have 3 points, and I have 2 points. Welcome to this segment, Drawing with Catherine. And in this segment, I teach you how to draw simple drawings. So today, I'm going to show you how to draw toothbrush and toothpaste, because it's important to keep your teeth white and clean. sure. Thank you for being here with this segment of Drawing with Catherine.
Hey guys.
So we finished our slimes, and we are going to reveal each to each other now. Are you ready, Kason? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Yours didn't turn out.
Yeah, mine didn't turn out as good as I wanted it to, but yeah. So my slime has green and yellow foam balls in it. Not foam balls, pom-poms in it. And it was purple, but now it is blue, and it has green glitter in it.
Mine is red, looks pink, and it has yellow, just has colorful pom-poms in it, and it's very stretchy. Well, not very stretchy, but you can stretch it. Sometimes breaks. Very pokey. Makes sound when you squeeze it.
Okay, so Kason, how much points did you have?
3.
I have 2 points. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe. And comment down below your favorite slime, even though mine isn't really a slime. Comment down below. You can still like it.
I mean, it smells
Every like equals 1 activator for this slime.
Every like equals 1 piece of slime donated.
Yeah.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.